With my straighteners, I'm going to be going in directly to the root, and I'm going to smooth around the root area 3 times. And then I'll go back in with my comb, and then a 4th time we'll start from the roots, and then we'll gently work our way through very, very slowly through to the ends of the hair. The movement of your straighteners has to be very slow to allow the heat level to stay on the hair for a while. This is how we achieve that straight finish without you having to go over the hair so many times. We want to reduce the risk of damaging the hair by not spending too much time with the heat on the hair, but at the same time we need the heat to be very high to allow the process to achieve the result that we want to see in the hair. And what I also recommend is try your best to hold the hair between your index finger and your middle finger so that you have a little bit more tension that you can apply to the hair. Because if I'm just holding the hair now, you can see there's a little bit of wave texture on the root there. But if I hold it up and raise it and pull slightly, not in a way that's painful, but just creating that tension here, it allows you to start the process of aiding the straightening a little bit more. Because I'm slightly pulling on the hair, the straighteners will come through there, and then we're able to just work that through seamlessly, so we just get a nice straight finish from the get-go. So I'll go in now with my straighteners. Because we've applied product, there will be a level of smokiness that you see during this process. Again, we're not causing damage to the hair, we're not burning the hair. It's just where the product comes in contact with the heat, it's going to become a little bit smoky. You see this whenever you're working with most of your Afro hair products. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure the hair is combed out, holding the hair up sort of like a 45-degree angle, 60 or 90-degree angle, depending on how you're standing and positioning yourself. Holding it away from the scalp and away from the nape area, I'm going to go in gently with my straighteners 3 times around the root area there. Because I'm holding the hair up, I'm able to get a little bit more closer to the root area without burning the person. Okay, now we'll go in the 4th time, and I'm taking through this very, very slowly, slowing down a little bit more as I get to the ends of the hair, going in with my comb, just combing that through and checking the hair, maybe just taking it gently one more time. Okay, so we get that nice straight finish all the way from the roots to the ends of the hair. Okay, I'll demonstrate that a few more times so we can see how we're doing that.